Alright guys, the next step would be for us to draw the angled end pieces of the toolbox. So we're going to go through and start that. All I have to do once I have a new document open is come up here to the line tool once again. I can click anywhere on this screen, click one time, drag it out, don't click again, and I'm going to start with the bottom of it, which is 5.5 inches. Make sure I wait until this comes up to that green snap at 90 degrees, and this is going to be 12 inches tall. And then I'm going to go through and close this out 5.5 and come down here to get that green X, and then I could hit escape. Okay, but remember the pieces are angled, so we have to go a little further with this one. And I'm going to use the line tool again, start in the top left hand corner or right hand corner, it really does not matter. But I'm going to click and come out to the right, still on that green 0 line, and I need to come out 1.5 inches and come down 6.5 inches. And then I'm just going to come over the rest of the way until I get that green X that says it's on the left side, and then I can come up here and connect those 2 points, hit escape, and that is the line that I need. So I can come over here to these. Notice I've hit escape. I'm not in any tool. I can click on the line and then just simply click delete on my keyboard and it will erase these. Now if I do that on the side here though, you guys notice it erases more than what I want. So I can hit Control Z to undo, and what I need to actually do with this one is trim this. So I'm going to choose the trim tool, hit enter, and then just click right here and it will take that off. Now if you notice I try and do it up at the top, but it's not working. Well, I'm going to hit escape, and the reason why this is not working is because of that little 1.5 inch line that I drew. I have to delete that first. It's technically on top of my other line. Then I can come up to trim, hit enter, and trim this up. So this is 1/2 of what I need. And then I also need to do it on this side. Instead of redoing all of that, I can simply mirror this. So if I go back to my line tool, and I come down the bottom here, I want it to snap in the middle. That's going to be this green triangle. It's going to say midpoint. Click there, and I'm just going to draw a little line upwards and hit escape. This is our mirror line that tells it what line it needs to mirror across. So if I come up to mirror now, choose my angled line, hit enter, and then I come down here to the top of this. I'm going to click it once, come down to the bottom, and click it again, and then I could hit enter. Now it has gone through and mirrored this line on the other side, and now I can go back through, hit trim, enter, and I could trim these up. And then finally, I'll hit escape, come down here, and delete my center line. The only other thing I have left to do is dimensions. So I click on the dimension line, I'm going to drag, escape there. I'm going to click the dimension line, come down here, drag this one. I'm also going to do the same with the side, and I'm even going to do the top. But we also don't know how far down this is, and this is not a straight line that I could easily dimension like that. So what I want to do is click the top line here and click where it comes out, and then I can come over to the side, and there's that 6.5 inches that I came down. And I could do the same thing by clicking the right side, clicking the top of this, and if I come out, there's the 1.5 that we did in the beginning. So go ahead and try and do this one on your own as well, and don't forget afterwards to save it. We'll do a file save as, and I'm going to label this one Toolbox End.